We're always looking for a best fit set of tools for opportunities to do things in a more effective, streamlined, efficient way. Hoffman really understands the benefit of BIM and VDC as it relates to the work that we're doing, our project goals and our clients' goals.
VDC, Virtual Design Construction, allows us to visually display what that environment looks like. With as many things that show up here every single day, if you can't get it in the building efficiently, it's over. And the VDC provides that future look, so there's no downtime, and we can get all the stuff that we need to get into these buildings.
We use that to pre-plan up front all of the logistics that we possibly can, down to all the computers, the desks. We wanted to make sure that we thought of every detail possible so that we're accounting for where people put their lunch boxes on shelves in the lunch tent. We can really account for anything you really can imagine that you feel is important. But a lot of times people just think, oh, you're going overboard. But then once it's in there, they go, really glad we thought about that.
It really provides project certainty. It holds our trade partners accountable.
You can imagine walking into a relatively new space. It opens the doors to conversation and planning and sequencing for the field folks. It allows them some insight as to what everybody else is going to be working on in those spaces.
What is available now, technology-wise, we couldn't do what we do today without it. The safety of the site, the efficiency of the site, big part of that is because we have that tool at our disposal now. As you finish the work, being able to provide very accurate as-built, and with these kind of projects, the semiconductor world, things are always changing. The need to change their tools, their facilities, new processes, new technologies, and the ability to efficiently do that keeps them on the front edge of staying in front of their competition. And in order to do that, you've got to retrofit your factories to bring in the new tools, the new technology. Now it ties into the entire life cycle of your building for building maintenance, management. And the only way you can do that efficiently is have a good as-built record of what's installed.
It's part of our DNA. It's who we are. We're always looking to continuously improve that process for the benefit of our project teams and our clients.